Renting a room. Hi, I saw your ad for a room for rent. Is it still available?
Yes, it is. Would you like to see it?
Yes, please.
Here's the bedroom, fully furnished with a small balcony.
Oh, that's nice. Is Wi-Fi included?
Yes, and electricity is separate.
Got it. How much is the monthly rent?
$600 per month.
Okay. Is a deposit required?
Yes, 1 month's rent in advance.
All right. I'll think about it and let you know soon.
Sure. No rush.
Thank you for showing me around.
My pleasure.
Exchanging money.
Hello. I'd like to exchange some dollars for euros, please.
Sure. How much would you like to exchange?
$200, please.
All right. Today's rate is 0.89 euros per dollar.
Okay. How much will I get after the fee?
Let me calculate. You'll get 175 euros.
Sounds good. Can I get small notes, please?
Of course. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Calling a cleaning service.
Hello, is this Sparkle Cleaning Service?
Yes, it is. How can I help you today?
I'd like to book a cleaner for my apartment tomorrow morning.
Sure. What time would you prefer?
Around 9:30 a.m., please.
All right. How many rooms need cleaning?
2 bedrooms and 1 living room.
Got it. Would you like basic cleaning or deep cleaning?
Basic should be fine.
Okay. It'll take around 2 hours and cost $25.
That's fine. Can I pay online?
Yes, we'll send you a link after the visit.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow.
Meeting a new neighbor.
Hi there. I just moved in next door.
Oh, welcome to the building. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Ada.
Nice to meet you too. How are you settling in?
Pretty well, thanks. Still unpacking boxes, though.
That's normal. If you need anything, just knock on my door.
That's really kind of you. Thank you.
No problem. By the way, garbage collection is every Tuesday morning.
Oh, thanks for letting me know.
Sure. Maybe we can have coffee sometime.
I'd love that. See you soon, Emma.
See you, Ada. Welcome again.
Booking a doctor's appointment.
Hello, is this Green Clinic?
Yes. How can I help you?
I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Lee, please.
Sure. What's the reason for the visit?
I've had a cough for a few days.
Okay. We have an opening tomorrow at 10 a.m. Does that work?
Yes, that's perfect.
Great. May I have your full name and phone number?
It's Ada Taylor, 555-8129.
Got it. Please arrive 10 minutes early.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
You're welcome. Take care.
Calling for a repair.
Hello, is this Home Fix Repairs?
Yes. Speaking. What needs fixing?
My washing machine isn't working. It stopped spinning yesterday.
I see. What brand is it?
It's a Samsung.
Okay. Can I come tomorrow morning to check it?
That would be great. What time?
Around 10 a.m.
Perfect. How much do you charge for a visit?
$20 for inspection. If we repair it, the fee depends on the parts.
All right, that's fine. Do you take card payments?
Yes, we do.
Great, thank you so much.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow.
In a taxi.
Hi, could you take me to Green Park, please?
Sure. Would you like the fastest route or the one with less traffic?
The faster one, please.
All right. Would you like me to turn on the air conditioning?
Yes, please. It's a bit warm today.
No problem. Do you know about how long it'll take?
Around 20 minutes, I think.
Sounds right.
Is this area safe to walk at night?
Yes, it's pretty safe. Lots of shops and lights.
Good to know. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here we are, Green Park.
Great! How much is it?
$12.50.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thanks. Have a nice evening.
Paying bus fare.
Hi, does this bus go to Central Market?
Yes, it does.
Great. How much is the fare?
$2.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, just tap it here.
Done. Thanks. How many stops till Central Market?
About 5 stops. I'll let you know when we're there.
Thanks a lot. I'm new in town.
No problem. Welcome.
Appreciate it.
Returning an item.
Hi, I'd like to return this shirt, please.
Of course. May I ask why you're returning it?
It's a bit too big for me.
I see. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, right here.
Would you like a refund or an exchange?
Could I exchange it for a smaller size?
Sure. Let's see. Yes, we have a small one in stock.
Perfect.
Here you go. Would you like to try it on?
No, I'm sure it'll fit. Thanks.
No problem. Have a great day.
You too.
Fixing an internet problem.
Hi, I'm calling because my internet isn't working.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can I have your account number, please?
Yes, it's 872145.
Thank you. Let me check. Okay, I see a small issue with your connection.
Oh, really? What should I do?
Please unplug your router for 30 seconds and plug it back in.
All right, done.
Great. Wait a few seconds. Now, do you see any lights on the router?
Yes, it's blinking green.
Perfect. Your internet should be back now.
Yes, it's working. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Buying a SIM card.
Hi, I'd like to buy a SIM card, please.
Sure, do you need it for calls or internet data?
Both, please. I'll use it while I'm staying here.
All right, would you like a prepaid or postpaid plan?
Prepaid sounds better. How much does it cost?
We have a plan for $10 with 5 gigabytes of data and free local calls.
That sounds good. Do I need to show my ID?
Yes, please. A passport or any photo ID will do.
Here you go.
Thank you. It'll be activated within an hour.
Great. Can I recharge it online later?
Yes, easily through our app or website.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Visiting the doctor.
Good morning. What seems to be the problem today?
Hi, doctor. I've had a headache and sore throat for 2 days.
I see. Do you also have a fever or cough?
A light fever, yes.
All right, let me check your temperature.
It's a bit high.
Oh, I see. Is it serious?
No, it looks like a common cold. I'll prescribe some medicine.
Thank you. How many times should I take it?
3 times a day, after meals. And drink plenty of water.
Got it. Can I go to work tomorrow?
Better to rest for a day.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me. Hi. Sorry to bother you. Could you please tell me how to get to the post office?
Oh, sure. It's not far from here. Just go straight along this road for about 5 minutes.
Okay. Straight this way?
Yes, that's right. You'll see a big pharmacy on the left. Turn left there.
Left after the pharmacy. Got it.
Exactly. Then you'll see the post office next to a small park and a cafe called Morning Cup.
Oh, that sounds easy. Can I walk there or should I take a bus?
It's close enough to walk, but if you're in a hurry, bus number 5 goes directly there.
That's great. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. And don't worry. There are signs on the way, so you won't get lost.
Perfect. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Getting a train ticket.
Hello. I'd like a ticket to Central Station, please.
One way or return?
Return, please.
Okay. Do you prefer first or second class?
Second class is fine.
All right, that'll be $5.50.
Here you go. What time is the next train?
In 10 minutes. From platform 3.
Great, thank you. Does it stop at Eastville?
Yes, it's the second stop.
Perfect. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a safe journey.
Check into a hotel.
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Noah Reed.
Let me check. Yes, here it is. 2 nights in a double room.
That's right.
May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Would you like a room with a city view or garden view?
Garden view sounds nice.
Great choice. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m.
Perfect. Is Wi-Fi included?
Yes, it's free. The password's on your room key card.
Excellent. Could you also arrange a wake-up call for 7:30 a.m.?
Of course. Here's your key. Room 203, second floor.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay.
At the park.
It's such a lovely day, isn't it?
Absolutely. Let's sit near the fountain.
Good idea. Oh, look, an ice cream cart.
Let's get some. Do you have cash?
Yes, hi there. 2 cones, please. 1 chocolate, 1 strawberry.
Sure thing. That'll be $4.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Thanks. Hey, do you think it'll rain later?
Maybe in the evening. Let's enjoy the sun while it lasts.
Agreed. This park is really peaceful.
I hope you enjoyed today's conversation. We practiced some really useful English, things you can use every single day. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe for more fun English conversations. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.